Hey you guys, are you excited for the new Pokemon Journeys series to come out? Well, I am. Well, you see, today I'm going to show you how to draw something called the Rocket Gatchat. It's a new thing that Team Rocket... Well, you see, Team Rocket has taken Pokemon catching to a whole new level. Giovanni probably entrusted them with a special device that allows them to summon up any Pokemon at their disposal. But the Pokemon they use is actually temporary, and they can't be summoned back because it's property of Team Rockets rather than themselves. And it can only be used when Jesse and James place Meowth's coin into the hard drive, and they summon up any Pokemon that they have. And 2 special Pokeballs come out of it. Anyways, let's start drawing, shall we? So you just start with the letter R, then you just add a coin dispenser here. And there we go. Okay, so next thing you gotta do is that you gotta right here. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta, here we go. Here we go. There we go. Next up, you just gotta draw the nose, the top part of his head. Oh, forgive me for about that. Next up, you just gotta, draw the nose here. There we go. There's the orb. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw here's the dispenser. I feel like Rocket Gatchat is a Japanese word for a toy machine, and I hope they come up with an English version for this thing, possibly Crankamon. At least I think it should be called that. Okay, so next up, you just gotta draw the legs here. Remember, the Rocket Gatchat has 4 legs, and they're based on human shoes. Okay, we're almost there, folks. We're nearly done. Okay, one more leg, and then we're almost done. Okay, one last thing we need to get done is the orbs inside of it. The orbs that are inside of it are actually Pokeballs. Ones that Jesse and James use to attempt to catch Pikachu but always fail. You know, because they're always blasting off again. Yeah, I said that. Oh, my bad. Dun, 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 dun. Quick question, do you think I'm adding too many orbs inside of it? I don't know, man. There we go. That is how you draw the Rocket Gatchat, or Crankamon. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. I'm pretty sure it's called the Rocket Gatchat. And, if you want it... Wait. I know what you're thinking. You guys don't think this looks familiar? Well, here's a picture of about what it really looks like. See this? This is the Rocket Gatchat. I know it doesn't look anything much like the machine in the background, but, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Rocket Gatchat!